Hi, this is Travis from 10 Farms, and I just wanted to show you some of the flooding we've had out here recently. These are people's yards that I'm going by here that are near me. We've just got tons and tons of rain. It just all came down at once. We got some yesterday, we got some the day before, we got a bunch of hail too. But so many yards are just underwater. So it's been one of those years where the weather has just been awful this spring as far as tornadoes and downpours. And yeah, look at this yard here. I've got a little bit of flooding in my own orchard, but not too bad. It's just got some a few spots that are underwater, but I think it'll clear up within a day or so. I just wanted to show everybody what's been going on here in Ohio, and just hope everybody's good. Here's some more of the flooding. This whole yard is underwater here, and over here, this field and the road's underwater. Over here. It's just really bad. I don't know how many inches of rain we got. Their grapes are almost underwater there. Coming up here, there's a field. There's a huge part of the field is underwater too. But this all came down last night at the same time I took that video showing the water coming in the chimney. I don't know if I missed it or what. Oh, there's some there. There was a field right up here that a whole chunk of it was underwater. Oh, there it is. Yeah, look at all that. Here's another really bad one. I'm just going to piece all these together, I think, and put them in one video. Here's another one. This field's flooded. Here's the flooding in my orchard here. It's not too bad, but this spot is pretty wet. Hopefully it goes into the ground quickly. I don't want these trees to get drowned out. I had some trees here before years ago in this area flooded bad when a drain tile broke and it killed off all the trees in this part of the orchard. So now it's replanted and it's flooded again, but this should be gone in a day or so. You can see some over there too. The pond is really full. Nice and muddy too though. All that water coming from the field. I bet the overflow is really running loud. Let's go check it out over here. Oh man, it's muddy. Looks like the goose has a nest. She's trying to hide from me there. That's nice. I hope we get some babies. I'll leave them alone here. Don't want to rile them up. That water. Definitely won't be able to mow this for a while. I bet there's water in the field too. Oh yeah, you can really hear this running. That water's just pouring out of there. Try not to drop my phone here. That wouldn't be good. And there it's coming out of the yard in that pipe. And flowing off into the creek, which is probably more like a river today. Lots of water.